and welcome to New Tool Tuesday, a series where we share some of the latest tools and equipment released in the industry. Each week we highlight new tools added to our website, Vehicle Service Pros, to help you stay informed on new releases. This week we have 5 exciting tools to share with you. Our first tool is the Ford EcoBoost Fuel Injector Puller Toolkit from CTA Tools, which is designed to safely remove fuel injectors from Ford EcoBoost engines without damaging plastic housings or electrical components. Next is the Killer Tools horizontal pulling attachment, which expands the versatility of the R23 vacuum floor puller by adding 22 inches of adjustable horizontal pulling width. Our third tool is the Charger DNA 1.1 Plus battery charger and maintainer, which is a compact charger designed for 6-volt and 12-volt lead-acid batteries in motorcycles, ATVs, marine craft, and automotive platforms. Next is a 5-piece quarter-inch square drive Z-Series universal nut grip sockets from Koken, designed for non-magnetic nuts and bolts to be held firmly in a 6-point socket. Finally, our last tool is SP Tools USA 18-volt half-inch SX Drive high-torque impact wrench kit, designed with a high-power brushless motor to ensure efficiency and longevity. Thanks so much for joining me today for New Tool Tuesday. As always, if any of these products piqued your interest, just give us a shout on our socials. Keep your eyes peeled for new products featuring both our newsletter and print issues by following links below. See you next week.